Happy New Year, everyone. I'm so excited to see you guys. Well, I can't actually see you guys, but I can feel the love. I hope you guys had a great Christmas, New Year's, and all of that. I haven't seen you guys in a minute, so welcome back to my channel. But it's really beautiful. I love this look. At first, you guys will see I was not liking the look. I was just gonna stop, but I'm glad I continued. I finessed this and I love it. It looks dope. So anyways, enjoy this video and I will see you guys in my next upload. Peace. Let's go ahead and get to foundation. I am gonna be using the Matte and Poreless by Maybelline. I was using a darker shade for a couple of weeks and I was like, this is just not working. If you guys use this and you've ever purchased a MAC pump, just put the MAC pump on there and you can still use it that way because I hate pouring it out on my hand. It's such a waste. Since you guys have seen me do the base a million times, I'm just gonna go ahead and speed through that. All right guys, now it's time to set. So I just picked this up this morning actually. It's by Black Radiance. It's their True Complexion Loose Setting Powder. And look at the color. It's beautiful. It reminds me of my Makeup Revolution Luxury Banana Powder. It looks like exactly the same almost, right? So close. They're actually like around the same price. I'm gonna go ahead and set under my eyes. Dude, this beauty blender has so much hair on it. What the freak? Was I brushing my hair with this? And I always blow off a little bit so you get a nice even layer. Oh wow, this powder is like super soft. Like, ooh. Ooh. So, let's see how this boy is. You guys know I love, well maybe you don't know, but I do love my Makeup Revolution powder. But it seems like this one comes with more than 1 fluid ounce. I mean, not fluid, 1 ounce of product. It comes 1.48 ounces of powder, so. And I think this was like, it was actually $9, so let's see. But I still like to try everything out. Is it gonna give me that really nice, soft, focused look that I love? I don't know, but we shall see. Anyways, I'll let you guys know how I feel about it at the end of the video, but right now I'm looking like a ghost though. So this powder has been sitting on there for a couple minutes now. I don't know what to tell you, it just looks really ashy, but I'm gonna take this brush and I'm going to use it as a contour brush. Like I said, I'm using the Fit Me powder, the really dark powder that I have. And we're going to bronze my face. I don't know what's going on. I don't know if I don't like the powder because it's making me just look ashy. It's not snatching me. It's making me look ashy. Let me dust some of it off. How do I look? I feel like I still look ashy. I don't know. Don't know. I don't know, y'all. Powder is a no for me, dog. It's a no for me. Let's go ahead and start the eyes. I know that I want to use, I got a new lipstick. Actually, let me show you the items that I did get from my boss, Dr. Chung. Thank you so much. She brought me the most generous gift ever, okay? Sephora gift card. So, you know I want a little bit hamburger alert. Got this Stila glitter. This Rihanna Fenty Beauty lipstick, and this chocolate gold eyeshadow palette. So I'm gonna try to incorporate those. What the freak? I'm gonna try to incorporate those if I can. I just look so pasty. I cannot. I don't even have a blush over here. I think I'm just gonna take this palette and swirl some of these colors together and make a blush because I cannot, like, I'm over here looking crazy. Oh, it was way more pigmented than I thought it would be, but just to bring some color to the face. So anyways, let's get started. I think I want a neutral color on my eyes because actually no, I want a neutral color on my eyes because I will be using a bright lipstick today, so I don't want to do too much on the eyes. I always say that and then I have this freaking smoky eye. Always. So I'm going to start off with an orangey color. Mix these two together. This is the Morphe 3502 palette. And what the heck am I doing, y'all? I'm not even using a mirror. I'm looking in the freaking viewfinder. This could end up, oh Lord, this could be very bad. Let me stop trying to do this. Let's do this like this. Yes, it was supposed to be very subtle. What the freak? Oh my God. I don't know if this is what I want to do. I feel like I don't like my base right now. So when I don't like my base, everything goes wrong. Like, that's how I feel. You know what? I'm just going to, I may have to use some of these other products in a different video because I don't want to waste them right now. We'll see. I'm just going to take a brown shade on a slightly smaller brush. Like one of these chocolatey shades here. I'll just mix them all together actually. And I'm going to just do this. Come on, focus. Okay. I'm already kind of annoyed that I don't like my base, so I don't think it's gonna come out the way I want it to. Don't you hate when that happens? Or does that just happen to me? Probably only happens to me. Now I'm looking a little bit casket ready. Like, don't I look gray? Oh, I just feel like I'm failing today. I don't like how it's looking this far, but I'm just gonna keep going. I'm just gonna finesse. I'm gonna show you guys how to finesse it. So anyways, I went ahead and opened up my Too Faced Chocolate Gold palette. This is the one that my boss got for me. It's beautiful. It's a chocolate bar. Gold. It just pretty much explained who I am. I'm chocolate and I'm gold. Yes, honey. Looks like this. How beautiful the colors are. And the best part is, guys, it smells like me too. Chocolate. So I'm going to take chocolate gold, which is this big gold one right here. Take it on a flat brush. I'm just gonna pop that right in on the lid. Ooh. Oh, it's pretty. It's really pretty. Don't know if I should just put it in the center. Let's see. Wow, that's pretty. Oh wow, it's more intense when you swipe it. Oh! Word. Wow. If you like glitter, you're gonna love this one. Let me swipe it on here. Swiper. No swiping. So I'm gonna clean up the edges with a eyeshadow brush. Just take that brown color that we went in with. And just clean up the edges so it's nice and smooth. So just go like this. Just go around it. The lipstick that I got is pink. I'm not sure how this is gonna flow, but I'm just gonna keep going with that. But I do want to deepen up the crease now. Now I'm getting confident. Now I might be even getting a little bit cocky now. Like that. You just want to focus that right on the edge. I don't want to bring that in. I mean, you could if you want, but I'm personally not going to bring it in. know, it still looks a little bit casket ready, but whatever. I did everything. I haven't really been into highlighting that much lately, but I'm still gonna highlight my nose because I think it's cute on my nose. So I'm gonna take this Milani highlighter on a brush and highlight down the bridge of my nose. Okay, why not even the cutest, but I feel like that's it. Like I'm not really like super into it right now. Now for the lipstick, I'm gonna use, you know, Rihanna came out with a like she added more. Rihanna came out with lipsticks, so I'm gonna try to use that. With this look, I could actually even wear the liquid lipstick she has, the red one, if I wanted to. But I think I'm gonna try out the lipstick first. I actually don't have a lip liner. So we're just gonna have to use my eyebrow pencil. Let's just make it do. Let's just make it do what it do. It'd be better if I had like a dark purple, like Night Moth or something. Actually, I have a liquid lipstick right here. Let's use this. I know it's gonna alter the color, but I've already tested it on my hand, and that color is just super bright. It's like hot pink. So I'm gonna line my lips with this liquid lipstick that's like a burgundy color. It'll do the job for now. This is actually a set from Rene'e. I got this from my grandma. It comes with two lipsticks, liquid lipsticks. Actually, they call them stains. And it feels like it's a stain. It's like weightless. It feels really nice. So it comes with a deep one and then a lighter one. And you could do a really dope ombre lip with those. But I wanted to test out the lipstick. Where is it? Gosh. Okay, so anyways, this is how the lipstick looks. It's super pretty. I love the packaging. At first I was like, oh, it's kind of cheap looking, but it's kind of cute. It feels a little bit cheap though. You could do better, Rihanna.